So, you want to download Windows 11, but your PC is unsupported. I got you. So first, you're gonna go to this website, which I'm going to pin in the description. Then you're gonna scroll down, select download, then click on Windows 11, and click on confirm. In the meantime, I'm gonna have to warn you that doing this is a workaround and you will not be able to receive any updates for security updates. So this means your computer will be vulnerable to cybersecurity issues more than before. But in any case, Windows 10 will get the same consequences on October 14th of this year. So it's the same. You're not paying anything and you're not changing anything but the layout. So we can do that. Then you're gonna choose language, which I'm gonna choose English. Click on confirm. You're gonna scroll up, click on 64-bit download, and it's gonna start downloading a 5 gigabytes file. In the meantime, we're gonna do some modifications on our PC. I'm gonna click on the search bar, then search for Registry Editor. Click on yes. We're gonna go to this place, which I will also pin on the description. I'm gonna click on new, click on DWORD 32-bit value, then name it in the way I will tell you in the description. Then you're gonna double click on it, then change the value data to 1 and click on OK. After that, you're gonna close the registry editor, and that will be all the modifications we need to do. You're gonna wait for the Windows 11 to download, and after that, you're gonna click on it. It's gonna go to a file, and you're gonna see many options, but you're gonna click on the Windows 11, download the XE. After that, you're just gonna agree to the terms and policies. It's gonna start downloading just like that. You have Windows 11. But in any case, if you want to convert back to Windows 11, Windows 10, you have a window of 10 days to change it back to Windows 10. But after that, you'll be stuck with Windows 11 forever. And that's it.